Let us discuss this problem. See, sine power 4 theta can be written as sine squared theta whole squared. Similarly, cos power 4 theta can be written as cos squared theta whole squared plus 1 into cosecant squared theta. Now let us consider this is LHS. Now a squared minus b squared formula can be adopted, is it not? So a squared minus b squared is equal to what? A plus b into a minus.
Sir,
A plus b into a minus b. So sine squared theta whole squared minus cos squared theta whole squared means sine squared theta plus cos squared theta into sine squared theta minus cos squared theta. Then you can put plus 1. So I am taking only this plus 1 of into cosecant squared theta. Okay. So we know sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1.
1.
So therefore 1 into sine squared theta 1 into cos squared theta. So minus cos squared theta and then plus 1. Are you able to follow? Plus 1 and then into what? Cosecant squared theta. Am I right? Cosecant squared theta. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here sine squared theta, you can have this is 1 minus, you can rewrite this sine squared theta plus 1 minus cos squared theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And we know 1 minus cos squared theta is equal to sine squared theta.
Sine squared.
So sine squared theta plus sine squared theta. Sine squared theta plus sine squared theta means 2 sine squared theta. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Now it becomes 2 sine squared theta into cosecant squared theta is nothing but 1 by sine squared theta. Am I right? So I can
Yes, sir.
strike out sine squared theta and the result is 2. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the proof. Okay? Got this?
What?
Sir, எனக்கு doubt.
கேளு.
Sir, அந்த sin square theta plus 1 minus அது புரியல sir.
அதாவது minus cos squared theta plus 1. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
I am just rearranging this. So 1, I am putting 1 in to the front side. So 1 minus cos squared theta. Got it? I am just
Yes, sir.
rearranging minus cos squared theta plus 1 as 1 minus cos squared theta. We know
Okay,
the
sir.
formula 1 minus cos squared theta is equal to sin squared theta. Therefore sin squared theta plus sin squared theta 2 sin squared theta. And cosecant squared is 1 by sin squared. So you can strike off. So 2 is the answer and that is RHS. Therefore LHS
Okay,
is
sir.
equal to RHS. Okay.
Okay, sir.